Shut up. No, it's a video. Okay, no. Go like with the love me, feel me, but never leave me.
With the eyes or without?
With the eyes.
With the eyes.
Totally.
You'll be so ugly.
Oh, doesn't matter.
Oh, look at
Show your go. Oh yeah.
So all my Spanish friends, I will send you a message that the girls doesn't look.
She doesn't want you talking about the girls. She wants to just do the crazy thing.
No, it's funny too.
Hey, don't do this.
It's gonna be on Facebook just tonight.
Okay, go. Love me.
So I will be like a bulldog dog. Do you know what's bulldog dog?
Yes, we
The
do.
bulldog dog. They got this all over her neck, and she says, "Please, please, love me, feed me, but never leave me."
Okay, good.
This is my message for the world.
You were saying like this. Love me, feed me, never leave me.
And I will say, and the
Say
message
it again
for
with the movement.
all the Spain men.
Yeah.
There are the girls on the front pages. These girls are illusions. They are not. They don't really exist. Find a real woman.
Yeah, you got one, huh?
I got nothing.
I am a real
Got
woman.
nothing.
I am a real woman.
Oh my God. You are not a real woman. You are a man.
Ooh, oh no. Tell your story about the monkeys.
Yes. So when I was a young boy, I think that I was so tall. I was so tall, and I walked around the Gibraltar coast, you know.
Yeah.
And there are so many monkeys, but very rude and strange monkeys. I got a nut, you know. It was a peanut. I think it was a peanut. And I said, "Monkey, I am a pure child, and I want to feed you. Now, this is a peanut. Feed yourself." And I give it to the monkey.
And
What the monkey did? What the monkey did?
slap you.
Exactly.
Oh.
I wanted monkey gave me a stronger hit. I think that monkey gave me a stronger hit than slap you. Monkey gave me a stronger hit than Philip did. It was a stronger hit, more stronger. It turned my head all over, I think.
Oh my God. Okay, we'll say bye.
Yeah, so goodbye to
My
Spain.
Spanish friend.
Spain, goodbye, and have a good night.